Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another food review, baby!
Oh, yeah.
Guys, today we are going Korean.
Yes, how exciting.
You guys see the table. Y'all see the spread? Man, we having some Korean fried chicken. Tell them where it's from, boo.
Bon Chon.
Bon Chon chicken. Guys, comment below if you ever been to Bon Chon.
We've never been to Bon Chon, guys, so this is our first time. And I did really good not ordering the whole menu, right?
They just can't see the rest of the food over there in the corner.
Nah.
Guys, there's another bag.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
It's not.
There's
not. Don't lie to our people.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Guys, thank you for hanging with us. Thank you for staying subscribed. For those who are new, make sure you click that button and like and subscribe. Tell a friend to come and join us and watch, because we always have great things coming to you guys. New recipes, new reviews, new challenges, guys.
2 hours later.
We're here to entertain, right, boo?
Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Y'all don't want to miss a thing.
And turn on that notification bell. Very important, guys.
All notifications.
Yes.
Let's go. So what we have?
So we have some, first and foremost, some chicken.
No. Say the best for last. You gotta save the best for last. Show them the sides first. You can't show them the main dish.
My bad.
Yeah, what's wrong with you, Anime?
My bad.
Show them the
What am I
sides.
drinking?
Yeah, let me show them the main dish.
Alright, so we have some of their fries.
Yeah,
Look at these fries.
It's like a loaded fries. Ooh.
That looks nice.
Ooh, that look good.
It look good, right?
It's like a seasoned fries. That's what they call it, seasoned fries.
Seasoned fries, and it's popular on their menu.
Yeah, no lie. On their menu, they have like a little icon that says must try or fan favorite, letting you know what they recommend that everybody eats. So we got the seasoned fries.
We have. Oh, you want me to do one?
We got coleslaw. Oh, I almost dropped that. I didn't know it was open. You set me up. Look at that. We got some coleslaw.
It comes with it.
Smells fresh.
And we have some bulgogi tacos, guys.
What? What'd you say?
Bulgogi.
Oh, you said it better than me, guys. I think it's like a beef, some type of
a ribeye steak.
Grilled beef. There you go.
Yeah, look.
Grilled ribeye steak.
Yeah.
So we got the bulgogi tacos.
It looks like it has coleslaw on it, a special sauce, some lettuce.
That looks good.
It looks really good.
Drum rolls! What we been with? I'm drum roll. You gotta open it. I'm gonna do the drum roll.
Oh, my bad.
Somebody gotta open it.
You're right. But we don't hear the drum roll though. Alright, that's fine.
Here
it is.
Guys, check out the Korean fried chicken. Oh, I like how they got the little partition there and separated.
Yeah, I love that. So the sauce doesn't get.
Guys, so they had 2 flavors. It's what flavor is it?
Spicy and soy.
So we got both. Half and half. They got the little partition.
Yep. It looks like just because of the color, you know, spicy things tend to be red. So this one looks a little red, so I'm gonna say this is spicy and this one's the soy.
Think so. All right, let's say grace so we can eat.
Go ahead, babe.
Grace. Let's eat.
That's it.
I'm gonna try the fries first.
That's all your grace.
I'm sorry, I didn't use any utensils. There you go.
I can't. I just can't.
There you go.
Thank you. You're so thoughtful.
I'm trying the fries.
Father God, please pray for my home. I'm praying for him. Bless him. And bless his food, Lord. We're not gonna put no fries on our plate. That's how we just doing.
Oh, you can. I mean, right out the box.
We have ketchup and we have our hot pepper, guys.
Oh, I can't even see them. Ketchup. So the fries taste like it has like cheese.
Parmesan.
Yeah. Fries is alright.
It's okay. It doesn't taste like salty or anything like that.
Yeah, it's alright. I mean, they said it must try, but I'm not excited.
Yeah. It is different. It is. Maybe it has some parsley on top. Just like and there's really no salt on this. You taste salt?
No salt.
I
taste the Parmesan cheese. What you get these fries?
I'm not sure.
Oh.
It doesn't really taste different.
I'm gonna give these fries a 6. It's nothing fancy, nothing spectacular.
Yeah.
Bon Chon, come on. Gotta step it up. Don't put must try. And when I try it, I'm like, man.
Man.
What's next? What's next? What's next?
Chicken. I'm gonna do taco.
Yeah, let's do tacos. Save the best for last.
I'm crazy killing me.
You serve the chicken. I'm not ready for chicken. That's the best. I want to try this bulgogi taco. How you know I wanted that one? I might have wanted the big one.
That was the big one.
Totally.
That was the biggest one.
Totally.
You know I'll be hooking you up.
Right.
Giving you the best of the best.
Yeah, no, mine's always look the best.
Anything for you.
Totally. Ready?
Alright. I'm gonna choose our taco. Cheers. Bing.
Taco cheers.
Oh, I'm making a mess.
I'm sorry, you guys just see the taco?
Oh, sorry, my bad. Throw this taco. It tastes like it has like some lime or something in it. Taste it?
No, I don't taste it.
It tastes something. I want to say that this has a little bit too much coleslaw, so I really can't taste the meat.
I agree.
Yeah.
It's like so much coleslaw. There's lettuce in the bottom. Then you get a little of the bulgogi beef. And then they put coleslaw.
Mm-hmm. I do see like an orangey special sauce in there.
And, yeah, I did see that. And it's like a corn tortilla.
Yeah.
I'm
It's
sorry.
lacking flavor. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me dip this in a little pepper sauce.
You're probably right.
Yeah, I think it needs some pepper sauce. I'm gonna put a little pepper sauce in this taco. See if it makes me change my mind. Because I was about to give this a very, very low rating.
You still have to give it a rating on how it came.
How it came? Shh. Hold on.
That made a difference.
That's some good pepper sauce.
Got him! Got him!
I'm gonna still have to give this
I'm gonna
taco.
five.
I'm gonna give it a 4.
Oh, okay. That's fair.
I'm sorry. That pepper hot. Woo! Woo! That's Frank's?
Nah. Frank's the one that our hot sauce.
I'm sorry. This is not.
I'm disappointed.
Me too. I'm looking for somebody to put the rest of this. I don't even want it on my plate. I will eat the meat out of it. Pause.
It's edible, but it just doesn't have a lot of flavor.
Not for me.
Yeah.
I've had better tacos.
And when we made what is that called?
What's that?
Our Barrera
Burrito tacos.
tacos.
That
Guys, go check that out.
That was some good tacos. We gotta make that again.
It was banging.
I seen some oxtail burrito tacos. What? I was like,
Really?
oxtail? Yeah. I seen somebody made the oxtail. They shredded all the meat and put it in a taco. It looks
Oh
good.
wow.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't like the tacos.
It just doesn't wow me. Like it doesn't.
Facts.
I was excited. Like, oh, this is gonna be different.
Yeah.
It's not.
Bon Chon, that ain't win me over yet.
All right.
So now you said which one is which?
This one's spicy and this one's soy.
Okay. I'm ready to try chicken.
All right. Which one you want to try first? The soy?
Nah, let's do spicy.
All right. Spicy it is.
So the reddish one is spicy.
Uh-huh.
So I'll show y'all.
It doesn't say spicy, but it does have a flavor on it, like a sweet kind of sweet and spicy kind of flavor. It doesn't taste different from Buffalo Wild Wings, in my opinion. A little kick. Definitely better than the tacos. You think about it? Alright.
I'm still tasting it.
Oh.
I like it. I think it's just right.
It's just right.
It's just right. It's not too spicy. It has a kick, but it's a sweet. It's a sweet heat.
Yeah.
It tastes sweet, and then you get that.
Yeah.
I like it. I'm gonna give this an 8. I will get this again. Ooh. Ooh. You know what? 8.5, because it's getting a little hotter. I'm not gonna lie. I like the spicy chicken.
Yeah, the chicken is good. Better than the fries and the taco.
I mean, it is Korean fried chicken, so at least next time we know we ain't going there for the tacos.
Right. One other one?
What?
Yeah, I want to try the soy
One
now.
first.
I'm gonna try the soy now. So 8.5 for me. And would you give the spicy
I'll
one?
give them an 8.
8?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna try the soy. Let me show you guys what the soy is looking like. It's a little brown or darker color. I'm still choking on the heat for the spicy.
It does kick in at the end of heat. Yeah.
Sure enough.
I like how their chicken still has like a little crunch in it.
Yeah, it's very crunchy. 2 thumbs up for the crunch. It is crunchy. I like that.
And you know how sometimes you eat meat, like chicken wings or whatever, fried chicken, and the outside, the skin part is good, but the inside lacks flavor. This one has flavor inside.
This tastes good. This tastes good too.
Yeah, I give this an 8.
I like the chicken. I'm gonna give this an 8. The spicy got an 8.5 because it was spicy. The soy is pretty good. I'll give it an 8. You guys go to Bon Chon, get the chicken.
Yeah. You be loud on the chicken. That's fine.
They have a lot of other stuff on the menu. Don't kid us. Nah. I'm gonna go back and try the other stuff, but I'm not recommending the tacos. I do want to try the bulgogi by itself because I heard that's a good dish.
Yeah.
It's just not good in that taco. There's too much lettuce.
You couldn't taste the steak.
There's lettuce on the bottom. There's coleslaw on top, and there's barely any meat.
Right. But the spicy one so far is my favorite spicy chicken.
Chicken's good, guys. Go get that chicken.
You think that coleslaw is any different from what we had on the tacos?
Let's try the coleslaw. It might be. I'll try it with you.
Can you put them on the plate?
No, I can just grab because I'm not going to eat that much. I'm not a big fan.
Of coleslaw in general? It tastes just like what was on the taco.
Sure does. Coleslaw, I'm going to give a 5. Actually, it's not bad. It's not bad.
It's not bad. It just
It's
tastes
not
like
bad,
exactly
but
what was on my taco.
The coleslaw's not bad, but it is exactly like what's on the tacos. It's not bad by itself. I'm going to give coleslaw 5, maybe a 6. 6 on a good day. On a good day.
Is it a good day or a bad day?
Today's a good day. That chicken made it a good day.
Thank God you ate the chicken for the coleslaw.
Oh, yeah. Guys, anything you want to say, boo?
No, that's it, guys. Go to Bon Chon.
Go to Bon Chon. We went to the one on where?
Flushing.
Flushing. What was the neighborhood?
Is that Astoria?
I don't even know. I think it was Flushing's neighborhood. It was Northern Boulevard.
Oh yes, or Northern Boulevard.
Northern Boulevard in Flushing. Guys, go to Bon Chon. Get the spicy chicken. I'm telling you. Get the soy too. Try both.
Yeah, the soy was pretty good. I'll give it an 8. I'll give them both an 8.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yep.
That's it, guys. And we are out.